For 3 years, the Seattle-based photographer Chris Jordan and a small crew of cinematographers have been filming the birds living and breeding on the island of Midway Atoll, in the Pacific, more than 2,400 miles from Alaska. The birds, which normally feed on squid and other animals that swim near the surface of the water at night, have instead been accidentally swallowing pieces of floating plastic, often mistaking them for food, that now litter the world's oceans. Of the 500,000 albatross chicks born there each year, almost half of them die, mostly from dehydration or starvation. The chicks that died from those causes had twice as much plast. Tons of plastic debris ends up on Midway each year, and 5 tons of that is fed to the chicks. Studies have shown up to 1 million seabirds choke or get tangled in plastic nets or debris every year. The nesting chicks are fed lethal quantities of plastic by their parents, who mistake the floating trash for food as they forage over the vast polluted Pacific Ocean. According to Chris, "For me, kneeling over their carcasses is like looking into a macabre mirror." These birds reflect back an appallingly emblematic result of the collective trance. On one of the most remote islands on our planet, tens of thousands of baby albatrosses lie dead on the ground, their bodies filled with plastic from the Pacific garbage patch. Chris has started a project called Midway to help stop this epidemic. It breaks my heart that these helpless animals die such a horrific death over something that can be easily changed. We need to help stop the pollution and save our wildlife. You can watch Midway's trailer below.
I'm in love with the cold.